The C-suite is a trendy modern term to refer to the collective of executives of a company, like the CEO and the CFO. I use the term, however, more broadly to describe people in highly influential positions within a corporation, like directors and trustees as well as executives. These people make the high-end decisions within the company, and increasingly we find it also results in a higher personal exposure to them. An officer or director may seek my services because of the increase in exposure that they may feel. There are increasingly rigorous regulations being applied. Class actions are being more broadly cast. Court decisions have expanded liability considerably. So officers and directors are feeling more exposed, and they'd come to someone like me to try to minimize that exposure. What I do for clients is I sit down, meet with them, and review their personal situation first. I then look to the bylaws of the corporation. I look to the D&O policy that has been set up to help protect them. And I look to the indemnification agreement to ensure that it provides as much protection as is possible. If they don't, I take it up with the corporation. Like any insurance policy, D&O policies vary from carrier to carrier. The terms are quite different, the wordings are different, the exclusion clauses are quite different, and the level of coverage is different. Each policy must be reviewed to determine the level of protection afforded to an officer or a director. The problem with relying on corporate counsel or in-house counsel is that they are retained to protect the interests of the corporation. And sometimes conflicts of interest arise, in which case they're precluded from providing you with your own personal advice. It's best to get your own legal advice on a personalized basis. I think clients hire me because of my experience, my background, and what I can bring to the table. I have almost 40 years of corporate commercial litigation experience, including many reported cases on D&O claims. I've worked with hundreds of directors and officers. I have a graduate law degree. I've recently become a certified director at Rotman's through its ICD program. I have a proven record of success, which in the end benefits my clients. If you're sued, I will be there to guide you through the process. I know the best defense counsel in the D&O business, and I'll make sure that they and I are in your corner.